just came in from DJI. Ronin-S. I've been using a beta version for a while, so it comes with this case. Ooh. And here it just looks like there's some accessories. We got our charging cables and some communications cables. These help talk to different cameras. Oh, there's a lot. Over here, there's a bunch of 1/4-20 adapters. Inside this, we have our riser plate for smaller cameras. This is the lens mount. Velcro strap. You don't appreciate the strap until you use one without the strap. Ooh, the battery feels nice. We're gonna need to charge it. Okay, so there's a long plate. Big question with this plate is, does it fit on Manfrotto tripods? The main assembly, and it does come with the focus module. I didn't think it was going to, and that was one of the questions that I had from some friends. Good job, DJI, that's wonderful. And also your own giant power brick. This is what they call the tripod, which doubles as a grip. Rubber lining right here. You've got 2 threads on the bottom. Connects together right here. So now we're gonna test the Ronin-S plate on a Manfrotto head. See if it slides on. Yes, I also missed this. Inside the box there are a set of instructions, a quick start guide. So I've been testing the Ronin-S for DJI for about 6 weeks or so. I've already shot 4 weddings with it. I'm about to do a music video. I need to go get this one set up to work with my 1DX Mark II. I'm gonna shoot that whole setup process. That's gonna be in the full review that's gonna come out in a couple days. And just a bunch of stuff that I've learned from using it so much. There's a lot of interesting, cool things you can do with this tool. I'll also have a surprise in there for you guys. We'll talk about it then. But until then, I've gotta get to work on this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Oh, and in case you're wondering, here's what you can do with it.